record? Really? The devil tries to steal your joy, but do not allow him to.
Oh, hi.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronke. If you are new here, I'm a beauty and lifestyle influencer. Subscribe down below if you want to be a part of the family, because we are a family. Please stop this nonsense. I just recently gave birth to a child, a second baby. If you haven't watched my birth story, you should. It is probably up here or up here. One of them. The card will shall come out like this. One of them. If you don't also follow all my social media, Instagram, all the things that you need to follow. So what are we actually doing today? What are we doing here on this channel? We are doing today is what's my hospital bag video. I used to love watching this when I was pregnant, like love watching these when I was pregnant, and I knew that this time I definitely am going to be doing a video for you guys to show you guys what's in my hospital bag, to help you if you are a pregnant mom out there and you need to know what to pack, because let's be real, we need to figure out what to pack. Basically, I had to like repack my hospital bag for this video because as of the time I did my actual hospital bag video, I was 38 weeks pregnant, and I think pregnancy brain got to me and I didn't plug in my mic, so I actually had to re-record this video. But I needed this video to be on my channel so bad that I recorded it for you guys again, because I want to give you a very realistic hospital bag video. Because I was a first-time mom, my hospital bag now is very different from my hospital bag then. My hospital bag then, I had done a lot of random stuff, so I'm actually even happy to bring this type of hospital bag video because I'm an experienced mom in a way. I mean, I guess in the hospital department, not like in life. So I will link where I got this bag. I got this bag from Amazon. I ordered it when it was Amari's time, because the first thing that is very important for you to have in your hospital bag is a nursing bra. I really just use this more of like the last day. If you're somebody who feels like you want to wear a bra all the time, please, you can also wear a nursing bra. So after you finish delivery, or even wear a nursing bra if you know you're about to be on the way to deliver, just because this will help you in the process. You know, it comes with, again, I bought this from Amazon, but it basically comes with a clip, so you unclip it and you can nurse your baby. Another thing I have in here, and this is very different from when it was Amari, I think I stuffed this bag so much in Amari's time for no reason, and I didn't even use half the stuff, which is why I feel like with this hospital bag video, I can show you guys realistically what I actually used, and because it's still fresh in my mind, I'll show you guys. So I also have this robe, again, an Amazon item that I bought. The best purchase ever, because I still use this robe after I delivered, and I used it mostly for, like, you know, skin to skin. You know, when you first give birth, your baby is going to be on your skin a lot, and you don't want a situation where you're in the hospital room, because you're going to have to undress yourself every single time that you need to, you know, either breastfeed or put the baby on you, and you kind of don't want that. So after I you know, got out of my hospital robe, after they moved us to a room, because they move you to 2 rooms, so the first room you deliver in, and then the next room you basically stay in. Immediately they moved us to that room, this robe popped on. I was like, this is it. So this is a very, very soft, comfortable robe, again, an Amazon item. Amazon was really my thing when I was pregnant, even with this pregnancy and Amari's pregnancy, mainly because I wasn't really driving as much anymore, so I was staying at home a lot, so I was ordering online. Actually, I have 2 robes in here, so this is the second robe. Now this robe I got for picture purposes mostly. Let's be real, I did not get this robe because I knew I was going to wear it in hospital. It is still very comfortable, but because it's a shorter robe, so it has like shorter hands and it's actually short, like it's a short robe, I decided that I was just going to take pictures in this. So I have this robe, but it comes with a swaddle set. It doesn't come with it, I actually had to buy it separately. This is from Posh Peanut. Like I said, everything is in the description box. I didn't really wear this. I only took 1 robe. I mean, you're gonna be in the hospital for a day or 2. Like for me, I was in the hospital for 2 days. But if you're in hospital for a day, I think you just really need 1 robe. I don't think you need like 2. But if you want, you can definitely have 2 robes, because by the next day you're going home, so you even need a going home outfit. That brings me to the going home outfit. So I decided I just wanted something simple. When you just first give birth, you don't want anything tight. You want everything to be free. So I just decided that I was going to, why is this inside out? A regular plain boho type vibe dress, and I wore this on when I wanted to come home. So when you're going home, yeah, you can wear a robe, but like, who wants to wear a robe home? Just wear something very free. So then we have the toiletries. If you want to take a shower in the hospital, now with Amari, I did use these toiletries. I did take a shower the day after, but with my daughter, I didn't take a shower right away just because we were in the hospital overnight, and I just really wanted to be in my own shower. I didn't feel like using the hospital shower, especially not at this time. So I know this sounds weird, but I was just like, I want to go home. So I actually just saved it. I was just like, I don't want to shower in this place. Travel size deodorant, which I felt like was very necessary. Travel size mouthwash. I always felt like this was necessary just in case anything went wrong with my contacts, because I'm a contact lens wearer. I have a little bottle of contact lens solution. Also have my toothpaste, Crest Complete, travel size again. Moisture, so this is like a shower gel. Toothbrush is always necessary. Chapstick, I actually have two. So I have this EOS, and then I have Vaseline in my purse, which I'll show you guys when I get to my purse. Lotion is very necessary. That's basically all that was inside of my shower compartment. And as you can see, it's just a little elf pouch. This is really what it was. I also have slippers in here. Most of the time the hospital provides you with socks. If you really want, you can buy your own socks, but because we are in this time again, I just basically wore the socks that were in the hospital and I threw them away after labor. Like, that's basically what I did. However, if you're somebody who likes slippers or you feel more comfortable with slippers, slippers are definitely necessary for you. I wanted to wear these in the shower. If I was going to take a shower in the hospital, I wanted to wear these in the shower. So if you are somebody who doesn't want to put your leg inside the hospital shower, you should probably get these. I had a letter board in here. I didn't show it, but the letter board, these are the letters that go in the letter board, just so that you can take pictures of your baby. So you guys know what a letter board is, but this is the pouch that the letters go in. And I just had like "You Are My Sunshine," this little placard that I took pictures with her in the hospital. Just props that you want to take a picture of your baby in the hospital, take them with you if you're not using like the hospital's professional photographer. So that's what I did. I also have my purse in here, my wallet. I keep calling it a purse, but this is my wallet. It's important that you take all your documents, you take your ID card, you take your insurance card. I have another chapstick in here. This is just like regular Vaseline because you trust me when I say your lips will get dry. And this comes in clutch. So I have some cash. See, I'm gonna show you. Then I say it's realistic. I have cash in here. You know why I have cash in here? At least withdraw $20 or withdraw once, because it comes in handy if you want to go to the vending machine and get some food. Especially if you don't take snacks. Snacks are also an important thing to take in your hospital bag, just in case you don't like the food or just any type of food. Just bring with you, because sometimes hospital food, not everybody likes it. So I have my purse with all the important documents in here. My socks. So with these socks, I already knew that because we're in a pandemic, I didn't want to take socks that are so cute. I wanted to take socks that I could throw away if I wanted to throw away. So I just took these like gray socks just in case I wore them. I didn't end up wearing them. Like I said, the hospital gave me full cream in here. My hospital provided this actually for us. So this was a waste of taking it, but I would still suggest you take it because you don't know what your hospital provides, especially if you're a first-time mom. If you're a second-time mom and you go to the same hospital, you know what the hospital provides. I still took it because I forgot that they provided this in my hospital. Your baby latches on, your nipples are going to be sore, and you want something to rub on it like an ointment, and this is always a go-to. What else do I have in here? Again, another pair of socks. And I have nipple pads again for leaking. I just put a couple of these in there. My hospital provided 2 of these, but I have some of mine. I have some hand cream because your hands get dry. If your hands get dry, you can't just reach in there and have a hand cream. I know this is weird, but I have a pen. Now, why do I have a pen? I have a pen because I like to write in special ink. Okay, if you are another girl who likes to write in special, you comment down below. But I love gel pens, and I write in gel pens because I write in cursive. So I really enjoy writing in cursive in gel pens. So I have my pen. So anytime they came with those their forms and birth certificates, whatever I needed to fill out, I had my gel pen to write because that's just me. So that's really it for my bag. So there's two bags that I have for this hospital getaway thing. For this hospital bag video, there's two bags I have. So this is all my personal items. If you are a girl who you want to wear makeup in labor, you also have to pack your makeup. But I am not, even though I am a makeup girl, I love makeup a lot and I really enjoy wearing makeup. To me, labor is such a beautiful experience and it's such a raw experience that even when I was thinking about my labor photos, I didn't even want to wear makeup in them because I feel like for me personally, it was more realistic to take pictures without makeup because when you first give birth, if you don't wear makeup, you just aren't gonna wear makeup. So I didn't pack my makeup. At some point I was like, oh, maybe I should have, but I couldn't even imagine doing makeup in the hospital and not being comfortable. So I didn't pack my makeup. But if you, like I said, if you want to wear makeup during labor, wear makeup during labor, girl, slay. Either way, you still slay. Okay, I don't know what I know. Just ignore it. This is the baby's bag. This actually also doubles as Amari's diaper bag. Again, Amazon, actually a really good diaper bag. It carries a lot. So what do I have in here for baby girl? What's your name? Let me talk to you. Let me buy you a drink. Okay, baby girl, what I have in here, it already comes with its own changing pad, which I really like. You know, changing pads are always very necessary for changing the baby. You're not going to really use this in the hospital, but it comes in the bag, so I left it in the bag. I packed a couple of tights for her. I was doing this hospital bag video after I gave birth was because it was a girl and I didn't want you guys to know beforehand. So I just packed some tights for her. So if when she's going home, in case it's cold, because this our weather where I live is very up and down. I packed a onesie. I actually packed two onesies. So I packed two onesies and a pair of pants. So I packed two onesies, a pair of pants. I packed some socks. Granted, I only packed these things as a backup. Going home outfit was this tan set. So it's just a tan set from, where is it from? This is from Quincy May. I get most of my baby's clothes from the same place. And actually this is something that Amari wore. This is why I love gender neutral clothing, because you can have, like, imagine if I had gone and been like, oh, I have a boy, let me just buy blue clothes for my boy. When I have a girl, I'm gonna have to buy pink clothes for her, and that's just so much, you know what I mean? Instead of being able to not stress out that you're having two genders and have colors that fit both of them. So I have no regrets for putting my kids in gender neutral clothing, just because wow, now I have a girl and now I can use the same clothes that Amari also wore. And all I had to do was just buy the same website, just buy a headband so she could wear a headband because she's a girl. That's it. But this is actually Amari's outfit. So this was her going home outfit I put her in. It comes with socks itself. It's very light. You know, it's easy to wear, light, you can take it off, but it's just a kimono set with pants. This is what she wore to come home. But all the other outfits I actually put in there just in case. Like, for example, there was one random time that she wore this onesie before her going home outfit. I think they just took a shower for her, so they put her in this onesie, because sometimes the baby is going to wear a couple of clothes. But I will say that don't pack too many clothes, because the baby is going to be swaddled most of the time in the hospital. So I packed more swaddles than I did clothes. I actually have 3 swaddles in here. Why do I have 3 swaddles? Because this swaddle is the swaddle that goes with my robe that you guys saw, right? So this is just strictly for photos. Then I have this other nice swaddle that I used to take a photo of her while she was in the hospital. Those are picture swaddles. This is just a regular swaddle that I felt like, you know, in case nurses visits or in case she's cold, because I used this for her a couple of times. So they don't really put clothes on the newborn immediately they're born. They like to swaddle them more. And there's hospital blankets in case you don't even want to take anything, because these are just optional for you, but you don't have to take anything. I have some diapers in here. Again, the hospital provides diapers. depending on your hospital, you can check beforehand to see if they do provide diapers, but the hospital does provide diapers. But I have diapers in here just in case. They also provide wipes, and I knew this. You don't really need a lot of stuff for the baby. Most of the things are provided. You're only spending a day in the hospital, so you just take things that are necessary. I thought it would be really, really cool if I also showed you guys what I got in the hospital, which is also why I wanted to do this hospital bag video after I gave birth, because they give you things in the hospital. So let me show you guys what they give you in the hospital. So they give you pads. So I have these large pads, so they give you a lot of these. This is mostly what they give you in the hospital. Again, check with your hospital before you go what they give you and what they don't. I already knew what they gave me, so like I said, even before with Amari, I bought adult diapers. I did not even use it. A lot of hospital bag videos are like, hey, you should use adult diapers. Now, if you're somebody who likes the adult diapers, try it out. Some people prefer the adult diapers. I really love these pads. Why do I like these pads? Because they came with, let me show you guys. So they give you these mesh panties in the hospital, and these were so comfortable. The adult diapers made me feel like I was literally wearing a diaper, while this made me feel a little bit more comfortable. So you put this on and you put the pad on the inside, and I felt like this was so comfortable. Honestly, it was really, really comfortable. So they give you this in the hospital, so I didn't really need to take any of this stuff. They also give you witch hazel pads, which you put the witch hazel pads on the pad. Also gave me this dermoplast, which is basically just for pain, burning, or itching. I never use this. I still even have the same one from Amari's time. This perennial pack. So this perennial pack is, whew, this is amazing. A lot of people make padsicles. I saw that people were making their own padsicles, but they give you these in the hospital. I don't know why you would need to make them. I keep saying check with your hospital, because I'm not about to come here and say this is what they give you and then you go to the hospital and they don't give it to you. However, they do give me these in the hospital, and I really, really love this because if you shake it and you break it, it becomes cold, and when it becomes cold, it just soothes the area, and I really enjoyed having this. So as a new mom, I think I was way more anxious about not having something I needed, but once I've gone through the process before, I packed what I actually used. All the things that I had in my hospital bag, I actually used. One thing I forgot to mention before I even end this video is you also need a charger and a long cord. So I have this IKEA charger that comes with multiple slots. So I put 2 chargers in there, one for me, one for Banji. Also, if you want to, you can have a hospital bag for your husband. Really, I just packed pajamas for him. Really take any pillows from our house. Again, this is a different time, so we didn't want to really contaminate anything. Didn't take any pillows. Don't forget your AirPods. My AirPods came in handy. I listened to some music and we watched some shows. You should also pack your laptop so you can watch shows. After birth, you're gonna just want to chill and relax as much as you possibly can. I'm gonna link a couple of sites in the description box of other hospital bag articles, just so you guys see something to compare all of this to. If in case I also forgot anything and I didn't mention anything, just so you have all those resources down below. The description box is your friend. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you packed in your hospital bag. See, I keep saying I hope you guys have a great week, but lucky, don't you just feel like the days are just keep going on, and it's like we don't even know what week is week. Everything is just meshed together. It doesn't even feel like week. It just feels like day. You know what I mean? But have a great day so far. I hope you're having a great day so far. Leave me all your video requests down below. I always say this, we're part of this community, so any videos I do for you guys to educate you guys, to make sure you guys are doing well. I'm gonna be doing a chit chat video very soon because I feel like May is Mental Health Awareness Month, which you guys know I'm all about mental health, and during this time I know that it can be pretty hard on, you know, you guys staying home. Let me know what you want me to talk about, what is really bugging you in this time that I can help you with. And yeah, so I will talk to you guys in my next video on Thursday. Excuse me. Baby, is the baby crying? Yeah, this is my life now. I hear phantom baby cries. But subscribe to my channel down below, okay, and follow my social platforms. Thank you. Good night.